Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new question which says let R equals to this. Great. So set R has 5 elements and set S has 4 elements. The total number of onto function means codomain equal to range, where we have to make groups. Groups depends upon the size of the next set. Okay. And then we have to make one function R to S, so this to this, such that f of a cannot be equal to 1. This is very crucial. So like you can solve this idea by using so many cases, like a will be connected with 2, a will be connected with 3, a will be connected with 4. Okay, or else look at this idea. So I feel that first, find total number of onto function without restriction. Total number of, look at here. Suppose that we have to find out total number of onto function. Okay. And from this, remove the total number of onto function in which onto function in which f of a is connected with 1. This is my case. Okay. Now look at this. You guys have how many elements in set R? So 5. You guys have how many elements in set S? 4. So you have to make how many groups? 4 groups. Correct? So A, B, C, D, 4 groups. And you guys are 5 in number. So 1, 1, 1 and 2. So this many groups are possible. So total number of onto function is what? And only this case is possible. Remaining case is not possible. Correct? Now, so we got 5 people by 2 factorial into 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. 1 is repeated thrice, so 3 factorial. Now you have created 4 groups and you have 4 person in the next set. So 4 factorial. Done. Now you have to subtract the number of functions in which f of a is connected with 1. So look at here. So suppose that A, B, C, D and E. So you have this case 1, 2, 3, 4. So A is connected with 1. Now you have 4 elements over here. This 4 element can be connected over here with any 4 of these elements, and everyone should be connected. Then only it should be onto function. Correct na? People can connect itself with 1 also. People may connect itself with no one, means 2, 3, 4. But every people from second group should be involved. Correct na? Then only you can have onto function. So you have 4 people in your bubble and 4 people in that bubble. So you have to create how many? Like you have to create like how many groups? You have to make 4 groups of 1 people. Correct na? So I'm talking to case number 1, where some people of this is connected with 1, and case 2, no people is connected with 1. Okay, so look at here. So from 4 thing you have to connect 1. And look at this, if you will connect 2 people with 1, you will have 2 people over here and you will have 3 people over here, and then you can never make one function, means onto function. If anyone will be left, it is into function. Correct? So only one people can connect itself with 1. So how many people are there in your group? There are 4 people in your group. Out of 4 people, only 1 people can connect with 1. Okay, So select that people. So 4C1. This is the selection of one people from that four people. And then you have to connect that people with 1. So there is only one choice. Now you have 3 people and here 3 people. So it is 3 factorial. Okay. So you got 4 factorial by 3 factorial, 1 factorial into 3 factorial. This is your case 1. When one of the people is connected with 1. Okay. So it is 4 factorial. I'll write everything. 3 factorial, 1 factorial and 3 factorial plus no people is connected with 1. So these 4 people has to connect itself with 3 people. So you have to make 3 groups A, B, C. How many groups are possible? 3 groups are possible. You guys are 4 in number. So 1, 1 and 2. Correct? Now, so and now you cannot break. So it is 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. Okay, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. Now what we have to do? 1 is being repeated twice. So for that 2 factorial. Now it is 3 group, 3 people. 3 group, 3 people. So you have to your task is not completed. So multiply and then multiply by 3 factorial. Is that okay? I hope this thing is clear. Okay. Now let's do the simplification part. So we got this is 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is 4 into 3 factorial. So 3 factorial, this thing gone, you are left with 4. 2 factorial is 2 and 4 is 4. So you will be left with 2. 5 factorial is 120. So 120 into 2 is 240. Minus this 3 factorial gone. You are left with 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is 24. 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 2, 24. Done. Now this 2 factorial, this thing gone, you are left with 3. And 4 factorial is 24. So 24 by 2 is 12. And 12 into 3 is 36. So it is minus of 36. So if you'll add 36 with 4, so it is 40, then it is 60. So you are left with 180. So there are 180 functions in which A will not be connected with 1 and all functions will be on 2 only. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.